Well, before I let you go and you let me go, you're owed money. So you are owed somewhere above $100, and it has to do with AT&T Mobility. So it's an uncashed check dating back to 2004 that was reported to the state in 2010. So 100 plus, it could be 100, it could be 10,000. Hopefully it's 10,000 for you. You can take me out to lunch.
Amazing. Pizza's on me.
That was this man, Jim Donovan, telling KYW News Radio Steve Nikhazy that he was owed some unclaimed cash. You're like Santa Claus in April around
I try
here,
to be,
right?
Chris. In fact, $8 billion is owed to people in our region in the form of unclaimed funds that are being held by the state. We've been trying all day long our Claim Your Cash effort to get the money back into the hands of the rightful owners. A new car, a Caribbean cruise, designer clothes. What would you buy if you came into some unexpected cash? Well, you could be owed money and not even know about it.
This is one of the oldest consumer protection laws in the country, but it's one that's the least known about.
In Pennsylvania alone, $2.3 billion is being held in cash and unclaimed property. It could be a utility deposit that you never got back, a check that got lost in the mail, or jewels, collectibles, and memorabilia of every shape and size. When the owner can't be found, it ends up here with your state treasury.
We literally receive new property every month at the Bureau, and at least once a year, April 15th, companies are required to report unclaimed properties. Folks may search one time and think they don't have to search again.
In fact, in Pennsylvania, it's estimated that 1 in 10 people are owed some sort of unclaimed property. Websites make it easy to search for what's yours.
Searching your name or the name of a spouse, even a church, your Girl Scout troop, anything like that.
We found $435 for Susan G. Komen Race for the Cure.
And I'm thrilled to accept that dollar amount to help us with our mission. Those dollars will have a great opportunity to help even more women.
And the Mazzoni Health Center was thrilled to learn $1,242 was owed to them.
We're always happy to receive more funding because most of our services are free to the users.
So what are you waiting for? It's time to claim your cash.
Check the list. You just never know. Money could be there waiting for you.
Now, I've made it easy to check that list. If you go onto CBSPhilly.com or my Facebook and Twitter feed, I've placed a link for all 50 states. So if you live somewhere else for a little while, you can check there. You just type in your name and see what happens. I would also suggest if you have an odd name where people spell your name incorrectly a lot, try those other different spellings because you may get a hit there. And don't forget to check your church, your synagogue, your kid's Little League team, because there are tons of nonprofits and organizations that are owed money.
You've got more, right?
Exactly. Let's take a look at this list. We've got some more folks owed money. If you know them, give them a call. David H. Linton of Springfield, Helene S. Seiner of Huntington Valley, Edward S. Kowalski of Camden, Mary M. Quinn of Lindenwold, and Diane Schmidt of Newark. You're all owed money by your state. And by the way, Chris, I think this may be you.
Oh, man.
Now, it just says Chris May. It's from Massachusetts. It doesn't say Chris May Anchorman, so I'm not sure if that's you.
That's all right. I'll take it.
But I tried my best in searching. Take a look at the website.
Okay. And so once you establish this is you, what about the process of collecting the money? Is it pretty easy?
Each state varies, but pretty much you're going to have to show proof of identification, usually send in a notarized statement, and then within a certain amount of time you get your money. Now, I will point out that all day long the Pennsylvania website has been going very slowly.
Okay.
We had over 45,000 hits to our website,
sure,
and almost $1 million has been claimed just today in Pennsylvania. So if you can't get through the first few hours, just wait until later on tonight, but check it out. You could be owed some unclaimed cash, and we've got more names coming up in the newscast.
And you'll never get it if you don't check.
Exactly.
If this is mine, I'm going to buy you like a cup of coffee or something. Something not
so generous.
Something small, but
Okay.
something nice.
All right.
Jim, thank you.
You're welcome.
Jess?
So generous.